Hi there. Do you manage a lot of performance marketing campaigns? Maybe you are spending a lot of time in checking manually every single day at specific point of time in a day just to find out what happened today and how much has been spent today or what is the performance of your campaigns. So, if you are running performance campaigns and you are having any kind of marketing campaigns and you want to have a quick data as a message saying what has been done, what has been the data so far, or what has been the performance of your campaign so far on a particular day, then this video might be helpful for you. So in this video I'm going to share how you can have an automation that can send you a message on WhatsApp or Slack, whatever the preferred channel of communication is. You can get a simple message saying what has been spent today, and other KPIs like cost per lead or number of leads that you got from ads today. So in this video I'm going to walk you through how you can do this with Pabbly. And other tools required in this are mail parser, which extracts the data from a mail, and we will be using a Looker Studio as a source of data, and we will be using AI to analyze the data. It's not just a simple message, but also AI will do the job of analysis, comparing the metrics of today and yesterday. And obviously we are here using Slack as the preferred channel of communication. So basically we receive a message here. As you can see, I just sent it now before just preparing this video. But yeah, so the first thing is we have to build a Looker Studio dashboard for this. So where our data is stored, as you can see, I have a separate page on Looker Studio which says for first day and the second day. So the numbers here, as you can see here, numbers are here, and this is where the data comes in. And now it goes and it gets sent to an email ID. So here in this case you have to click on schedule delivery. So basically you just need to for example, when you create a mail parser account, you get an inbox email ID from them, apart from the your personal email ID, which is the Looker Studio email ID that I have been using here. You just need to copy paste the mail parser email ID here. So once you do that, and message will be automatically sent with the PDF with the following pages. As you can see, I have selected these two pages, which obviously have the data of today and yesterday, and I have scheduled it to be sent at 11:30 p.m. But yeah, depending on what is comfortable for you, you can play around with this scheduling options. So this is for in this video I'm talking about a comparison data for yesterday and today at 11:30 p.m. every day on a daily basis. So where you just need to add the parser inbox email ID provided by mail parser. And the base purpose of the parser is it extracts the data from Looker Studio dashboard, which is sent to the email ID, and then it sends to Pabbly. So whenever new mail is passed, so what basically mail pass means is that it extracts the data from the attachment. So whenever Looker Studio report, so this report goes on a scheduled basis as per the schedule configured here, and you can just play around with the dates, or if you want to have on a particular day you can do that, and if you want to have it on a regular basis on month or weekly, you can obviously have all these kind of options here. Whenever you schedule this report, it will automatically get sent to that particular email ID. Here in this case we have to also add the mail parser email ID, which is provided by mail parser, which I already did. But if you log into your account, you just need to configure the inbox, so I'm not going to cover that part. But it will give you an email ID here. So once that is there, when a new mail comes in, I mean when mail parser receives an email from Looker Studio, it automatically extracts the campaign data from it, and then it sends to the OpenAI step. So what here we are doing is, OpenAI step is generally analyzing the data. So we have given a detailed prompt to the OpenAI saying what has to be done inside OpenAI, and then it sends a message as soon as it receives the OpenAI analysis. The message is sent. As you can see here, I have mapped the data from Slack message. So as you can see, the data is mapped from campaign, whatever the data comes from this step, OpenAI step of analysis, is being mapped here, and it is directly sent inside Slack. So as you can see, I had one more report here. This was a monthly comparison here, which is obviously by AI. So AI is doing the job of analysis, what has been decreased or increased and all. And this is the same thing happening here also. The campaigns are right now, the data is I have replaced the original campaign names with campaign 1 and 2, but you can have the original campaign names if you want. As you can configure that prompt in the prompt section of this OpenAI. So you can do as per your requirement. So in this case I have done it as per my requirement, which is just comparing the metrics here. And as you can see, once the data is out, you can have this message sent to you on Slack, via Slack. uh, so once the analysis reaches Slack, it automatically sends you this message here. As you can see, I have done it today, just now, before making this video, and there is a monthly comparison here. So this was a monthly scheduled report, kind of comparing the 2 months metrics, but here I'm doing this comparing the analysis of yesterday's and today's data. And yeah, you can just play around with different schedules here, different types of filters here. Basically you just need to filter out the data of dynamically, so there are many options here. Last 30 days, comparing last 30 days versus this month, like that. So yeah, this is up to your choice, whatever the way you want, as long as the data can come into Looker Studio. You can just there are many tools which allow you to fetch different types of marketing campaigns, whether it's Facebook ad or any other type of ad. You can just get the data here and get it sent to Pabbly, and then obviously to Slack message or whatever, on a monthly basis or a weekly basis or a daily basis. So it totally depends on your use case. I hope you find this video useful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.